my name is Laura with the City of Lancaster Recreation Center, and today we're going to be doing an essential video about camping. So this is a basic on how to set up a tent. So let's go ahead and begin our process. So this is typically, you can do it yourself, but it's preferably to have a partner to help you set it up. So this is what we're doing here. We have a pop-up dome tent that all that you will require is to spread it out. And then we're gonna get our little sticks here that come with your tent, and we're gonna stick them through our ends. So here we go, we gotta stick it all the way through to the other side. Well, I'm running it through. He is assisting in running the other end. This end is just comfortable. Yes, I get it. Yes, sir. And we're gonna get it through our end here. And that's one end of this. So now we're gonna go across and put our other end in. We're gonna get our rod into this. So like I said, this is a dome pop-up tent that just requires you to run poles through our ends. Now we have our pop-up tent assembled. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our stakes and we are going to put them in through the ends. It has a spot here to put in our rods so that we can go ahead and put them all in. And you might need a hammer depending on the weather. If it's too dry, you will need a hammer for this. If it's not, and so now we can go ahead and use a hammer. If you need assistance, just make sure to do it right. And make sure that it's stable, and there we go. You have it stable enough. And now that you have your tent assembled, this is just to add shade to the top. You don't really have to put it on, but this tent here does have it. So here we go. We have our tent fully assembled. Make sure to follow the list on my previous video on what to bring along with you. Right now we're just showing you how to put on this tent.